And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs.
All right, just a little jump start to our Christmas activities. Cheers, by the way. I just wanted to point out that this is Christmas cards and more. This little segment is on all the exciting things that you can get ready and prep and have fun for the Christmas season. And one is that we used a 49er market, and we wanted to show how versatile it is. And you could take any scrapbook paper that you have in your store. We just happen to have an abundance of paper, so we decided that we would do this particular collection kit away from Echo Park. And so it just is a really nice little mini album, and it's just a fabulous, easy, put together way to do a scrapbook album. So you can have it for anything that you would want it for. You can do it, this particular one was all about travel, and like I said, we used our paper collection that we had on hand because we had several of them. And what a beautiful book. I absolutely just love it. And you can change this up any way that you want. You can add in pockets, you can add in a waterfall. It's just truly a great album to have. Another album that we have, because we had an abundance of collection kits left, was from Graphic 45, and we decided to do the Fairy Wings collection on this one. And again, we used some of the 49er market flowers on the front, and this is another beautiful, beautiful album. You could take this album and you could turn it into being any other album as well. It's just that this is the particular collection kit that we want to use, and it is again one of those ones that you can just put together however you like, add in what you want. There's pockets, there's tags. It's just great, easy, simple way for the person that doesn't want to do the album from basic scratch, where you're actually making your own bindings, adding in your pages, making your pages. For those that have done it in a class, and I've done several in a class, it could take up to 8 and 10 hours. Here's your book, it's all complete, ready to go, and you'd be done this by 8 and 10 hours. The other thing in this is that we are going to show all our collections that we have of our Christmas cards and then we have lots of card kits and lots of surprises in this segment for you. We hope you enjoy what we have for you, and we hope that we can help you with your card making experience, we can help with your album experience, or we can certainly help you with your scrapbooking experience. And again, don't forget to come on in. We are awesome.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping. And I brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, I'll hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbye.
I'm going to make a kit up with using 3x4 cards and 4x6 cutout cards from the Echo Park line called Silent Night. And I'm just going to be using cardstock and the cutouts and a few embellishments.
Lights around the tree, Mama's whistling takes me back again. There's something about December. We're hanging mistletoe and hoping that it snows. I close my eyes and then I can still remember how to get back home. Let all your memories hold you close, no matter where you are. You're not alone, because the ones you love are never far. If Christmas is in your heart, who really needs a gift? When love is meant to give, I can still recall, carry with me always, every Christmas tree. They live in you and me. Let all your memories hold you close, no matter where you are. You're not alone, because the ones you love are never far. If Christmas is in your heart. Lights around the tree, Mama's whistling takes me back again. There's something about December. Let all your memories hold you close, no matter where you are. You're not alone, because the ones you love are never far. If Christmas is in your heart. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, I'll hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my it snow, let it snow. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. And here we are, as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. And through the years, we all will be together, if the fates allow. Until then, we'll just have to muddle through somehow. Here we are, as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Someday soon, we all will be together, if the fates allow. Hang a shining star up on the highest bough, and have yourself a merry. I hate going out in the storm, but if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.